we're still waiting. While I was waiting here for the last couple of hours, I've edited a video. So you guys are going to get a video tonight. Alright, good morning. Hey, I just opened the door. I saw them, they're pulling that truck. I don't know what they're trying to do to it. But they had just pulled it from underneath the trailer from over there. See that trailer right over there? So I don't know, must have broke. They're gonna hook up to it. All right, let's take a look at what we got because we got to get going. We're in the rest area in Ohio. We didn't run into any bad weather. It's cold. We were right behind all the snow. But these are our two coils. They're riding good. Tarp job's doing pretty good. Everything looks pretty good back here. And like I said, they're just real top heavy. Because if you look from the back here, see how skinny they are? And each one weighs about 23,000 pounds. So there's about 44,000 on there, something like that. But they're riding good. Just have to be real careful around the corners, that's all. Everything else is doing good. Our tires are doing good. There you guys can look at the tow truck there. He's getting ready to take off. Yeah, it's not a good day when you have to have the tow truck first thing in the morning. There he goes. Look out. Up and close. Up close. You see, he's got like a lift axle, so when he's hauling heavy, he puts that down. It takes some of the weight off the drive tires. But anyway. Alright, that's a little interesting for this morning. Let's get going. We got about 160 miles over to deliver, and we're gonna knock this off. It's Monday morning, and let's hope we have a good week. So talk to you in a bit. Alright, we gotta get going. We just booked our reload out of Butler, Pennsylvania.
Continue en route.
Going down to back down to Mississippi. So we need to get on over here and get this stuff off our truck so we can get reloaded again. That's the plan. So we got about 162 miles to get over there, and hopefully traffic's not too bad. Get unloaded, and then from where we unload to where we reload, it's about an hour. So hopefully we can get there by about 3, get reloaded, and then do it again. Do it again. Yeah, we didn't hit any bad weather.
Continue en route.
It was cold. We were right behind everything. So I think we're gonna be all right too. So for the next couple of days. All right, let's get out of here, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Leave everything for me, stay the night, oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me, get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out, let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days, and nothing's gonna make me look away. Peel off a layer and breathe. Lift up your head and lead. Count the stars, oh, before you leave. Save a kiss, pretty please. Try to reminisce over me. know that I will cherish your memory. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days.
Alright, we're just about where we need to be. And this place is not easy to get to. It is a pain in the butt. Apparently this used to be an industrial park at one time, and they tore down all the factories and made it a shopping center, but there's still a couple little factories down here. And mixing big trucks.
In 1,000 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
Mixing big trucks, residential areas, and the shopping center don't mix. There are cars buzzing around all over the place. I think we got to go to this place right here.
You've arrived.
I've arrived, but I don't see a gate. So hopefully the gate is around here somewhere. I've arrived. Oh man, let's see how this works. Alright, here we go. Okay.
Straight down and stop on the scale, and I'll bring these out to you.
Stop on the scale? Okay. Thank you. Alright. We'll try this here. We'll try this. Much room here. We're going to fit on the scale. I think that's it. Phone call. Too busy to talk to you right now. I will call you back.
Left up here to door number 2.
Okay.
Going straight into door number 2.
Pull straight in. Okay.
Yeah, and inside you gotta wear safety glasses.
Okay. All right.
All right. On the way out, stop on the scale again.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. listen to the buzzer. I'll try to tone it down, but I got to make this sharp turn right here. So we got to pull in. It means I need to swing really wide here. I guess they'll come and get me. Let me get this stuff off my truck. Talk to you guys in a bit. Getting over here is kind of a nightmare. We're over here in Butler, Pennsylvania.
Take the exit.
We're picking up a load going back down to Mississippi. The problem is, I wanted an appointment.
In 800 feet, turn left.
I wanted an appointment at 3, and the earliest appointment they had was 7:30. Which really screws up my day. Now, I have never been here before, so this is all new to me.
Turn left.
Although I did Google it, and Google Maps comes up truck gate for this place. So, how this works here. Before
in 800 feet, your destination will be on the left.
700. Let's see here. How does this work? Idling. First time here?
Take this paper,
Okay.
go into the parking lot on the left, build it out and open to my back door.
Okay, sir, thank you. So, we gotta fill this out.
Your destination is on the left.
And then walk inside. So this is the first time here, and this might be the last time here too. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. The spot. Oh, that guy had moved in a while. Let's see. I don't know how slippery this is. Find out, I guess. Paperwork here. Fill out my paperwork here. See what's happening. Talk to you in a bit. Okay, we're still waiting. While I was waiting here for the last couple of hours, I've edited a video, so you guys are going to get a video tonight. See, it is now 5:50, so 10 to 6. So it looks like they're pulling guys out at the hour. So so at 7 o'clock, our appointment's at 7:30. So maybe at 7 o'clock they're supposed to call me and move out. I've already talked to a guy that was here before, and they have truck parking here. So after I get loaded, I'm probably just going to stay the night here and leave out in the morning, because I'm going to be out of hours to drive. And he said, you go in this gate and then we're going to go out another gate. He said there should be parking down at the other end. So that's the plan. But all in all, you know, today I stay out of Pittsburgh because the roads are so small and it's congested. Where we were today, so far this place hasn't made me too mad because I haven't done anything. But we'll see how it goes loading tonight. Hopefully it's not too late of a night. But anyway, all right guys, enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.